Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to remove search engines from the Google Chrome web browser and also to remove unwanted search engines. Okay, so ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser, so open lang natin yan, and then dito lang sa upper right side ay click mo tong tatlong dot, and then next ay kailangan mo nang select tong settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo nang select tong search engine. And then dito sa search engine, kailangan mo nang select tong manage search engines and site search. And then dito sa manage search engines and site search, scroll lang tayo. And then dito sa search engines, makikita mo dito yung mga na-add na search engines. Alright, so with or without sa ating knowledge, minsan ay na-added ito by third-party applications. Hindi rin natin napapansin na na-install ito for another applications. Bigla na lang pop-up notifications na do you want to change your default search engine at na-accept natin minsan at changes niya. Kaya nandito siya mga kaibigan, na-added siya. Okay, so kung paano ba natin ito i-remove? So makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo na click tong delete. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then next, delete search engines. Are you sure you want to delete the search engines? Click mo lang tong delete. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano ba tayo mag-remove ng search engines or unwanted search engines dito sa Google Chrome. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.